And that's my version of the ultimate vegetarian nachos. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, because this is my sabakay silingan. Wait. What's up? Welcome to my channel. My name is Julia. Today we are making the ultimate vegetarian nachos. Nachos is a Texas-Mexican fusion dish, or Tex-Mex, that was created in 1943. Fast forward to the present and it has become a global comfort food that you just can't get enough of. And today I will show you a guilt-free version of the classic Tex-Mex nachos for cheap. So without further ado, let's get cooking! Okay, let's begin by making our taco seasoning. In a bowl, combine 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 2 tablespoons cumin, 1.5 teaspoons of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon each of oregano, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. Mix it all up and set aside. Roughly chop half a white onion, mince 2 cloves of garlic, slice your pepper. Remember to take the seeds out. And chop into small cubes. Now let's make our ground beef substitute. Saute the onions, garlic, and half of the peppers. We'll be using the rest for later. Add 2 cups of boiled mung beans, half a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of taco seasoning, and let the flavor soak into the beans. Check your beans after 5 minutes. Make sure nothing's sticking. Then start mashing. To make it look more like ground beef, add a tablespoon of soy sauce, mix, and set aside. Preheat your oven at 180, and now let's put the nachos together. Grab a bag of nacho chips and spread it in your oven-safe container. Add your veggie mince or veggie ground beef. A generous handful of cheddar cheese or any other quick melt cheese that you like. Onions, peppers, chilies, and shred in more cheese. Top it off with cilantro. Put it in the oven and let it broil for 10 minutes. While that's broiling, let's make our Pico De Gallo and guacamole. For Pico De Gallo, slice up some tomatoes and make sure to take the seeds out. Chop up some onions, garlic, chilies if you like it spicy, of course. Mix everything together. And squeeze in some limes. Season with salt, pepper, and cilantro. Now let's make the guacamole. Choose a ripe avocado, but if it's a little bit brown like this one, it's fine. You just want it soft and mushy. Squeeze in a lime for some flavor and to prevent it from further browning. Then add salt and pepper to taste. Mix a little bit of your Pico De Gallo and your guacamole is done. Take your nachos out of the oven and enjoy! And that's my version of the ultimate vegetarian nachos. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you can be part of the Health Savvy fam, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And if you want to recreate my dish, please tag me on all of my socials. I would definitely want to see them. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Julia. I'll see you in my next video.